What if the sun was erased from the universe? This star that nurtured Earth for 4.6 billion years suddenly ceased to exist. What would happen? Right now, you wouldn't notice anything unusual, because light needs to travel from the sun to Earth. This 93 million mile journey takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds. When the last ray of sunlight reaches the ground, the world plunges into eternal night. No warning, no transition. Darkness like spilled ink instantly swallows the entire planet. 10 minutes pass and the moon loses its light source. That nightlight that's accompanied humanity for thousands of years goes dark forever. Half an hour later, Earth's magnetic field starts going haywire. If you look up at the sky, you'll see auroras dancing wildly in the darkness. That's the magnetic field's final performance before collapsing. 1 hour later, surface temperatures begin to nosedive, but the heat deep in Earth's core is still there. That's the leftover warmth from when Earth was born. Cell phone signals start cutting in and out. The digital world is falling apart. 24 hours later, the sunrise people are waiting for doesn't come, and it never will again. World leaders hold emergency video conferences. Scientists try to explain this catastrophe, but nobody has answers. 1 week after the sun disappears, green vanishes from Earth. Plants stop photosynthesizing. Oxygen production hits the pause button. 90% of Earth's green life starts withering away. Power plants burn through their last barrel of oil. Heat shuts off, lights go out. Thermometers read 14 degrees Fahrenheit. People put on their warmest clothes and start searching for places where they can survive. Some pilot submarines into the deep ocean. Others set up tents near volcanic vents, where Earth's internal heat still exists. 1 month without the sun, the surface is now a 4 below zero freezer. Herbivores can't find food, they drop in waves. Carnivores can last a bit longer feeding on corpses. The ocean surface freezes over. Creatures under the ice start running out of oxygen. 6 months without the sun, surface temperature hits negative 58 degrees. The entire planet becomes an ice ball. Only a handful of cold-resistant plants are still hanging on, but 99% of life has been removed from Earth's registry. 1 year after the sun disappears, Earth's surface stabilizes at negative 148 degrees. The ocean has frozen into solid ice, but underwater volcanoes are still erupting. The deep ocean remains warm. Earth's last remaining life hides in the pitch-black depths of the sea. This includes bacteria, and some creatures we can't even name. 10 years after the sun disappears, Earth's surface reaches negative 328 degrees. Except for bacteria that can survive extreme cold, signs of life on Earth are basically undetectable now. 100 years after the sun disappears, Earth's temperature stops dropping, stabilizes at negative 328 degrees. The atmosphere shrinks to a thin layer. The ozone layer shatters. Cosmic radiation pours right in. All remnants of human civilization are buried under miles of ice. Skyscrapers, cars, books, photos. Every piece of evidence that humans ever existed has become a frozen fossil, and Earth left the solar system's orbit long ago. It's been wandering through the dark universe for a century. If it's lucky enough to not crash into an asteroid, to not get swallowed by a black hole, then by now it should have drifted into the depths of interstellar space. We don't know where this wandering planet will ultimately drift to. Humanity's story, the moment the sun disappeared, already had its ending written.